Okay, where are my besties? Welcome back to another video. Mercor is on a hiring spree. If you're looking for AI training job, then hop on to Mercor. Yes, and apply right now. They're hiring generalist experts, management and strategy, investment banking experts. In fact, the one I'm most interested in is this one, generalist experts. Yeah, you can see that it's a new opportunity. These ones have been here for a while. This one, CUDA engineering expert, is also new. Physician generalist is new. A couple of them are new. Business and professional services are new. Is new. Finance and banking expert is new. But I'm interested in this one. Yes, this is the easiest one. This is the easiest one, even if you're new to AI training. This is the easiest one. And they've hired 0% so far, which means it's quite open for you. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. My returning subscribers, please like, comment and share. Yes, I'm just bringing this opportunity your way. Okay, Mercor is hiring now. They are currently hiring. Some of these jobs you see here have been here for a long time. Okay, but this one is new, and you can earn potentially around $280 if you do this job. So I thought to share this. Okay, I thought to share this with somebody. I don't know who is interested to start training AI. Yeah, and again, you can see that I'm doing a voiceover today. Okay, so this video is gonna go as it will go. If you're interested in this one, link will be in the description. This is the job here, the job details. Generalist experts, paying $70 an hour. It's an hourly contract remote position. Okay, it is also new. What you need for this is your resume. Then you do domain expert interview. I haven't done it yet. That's the only thing remaining for me, which I'm going to do shortly. My work authorization is complete. All application steps are reused whenever another role requires the same steps. So you never have to upload your resume or retake the same interview twice. That's one thing I like about Mercor. If you complete application step and another job comes up and requires same application steps, they will just use it automatically to qualify you. Okay. Also, for the overview of the job, in this role, you will evaluate AI-generated responses and provide structured written feedback. This is a great opportunity for sharp analytical thinkers to contribute to high-impact AI research projects. Basic qualifications include bachelor's degree from a top 500 global ranked university preferred. Guys, this one doesn't matter, okay? Strong analytical and written communication skills, ability to work independently and follow detailed task guidelines. Strong critical reading skills with the ability to identify, guide, nuance, implicit meaning, and gaps in reasoning. Ability to write clear, precise, and well-evidenced written rationales that go beyond surface-level observations. Consistent and honest judgment, including the ability to give critical assessments when warranted. Strict attention to detail and accurate application of structured evaluation guidelines. Ability to work entirely without AI writing tools. Eligibility, native English fluency required. We consider all qualified applicants without regard to legally protected characteristics and provide reasonable accommodations upon request. Contract and payment terms. You will be engaged as an independent contractor. This is a fully remote role that can be completed on your own schedule. Projects can be extended, shortened, or concluded early depending on needs and performance. Your work at Mercor will not involve access to confidential or proprietary information from any employer, client, or institution. Payments are weekly on Stripe or Wise based on services rendered. Please note, we are unable to support H1B or STEM OPT candidates at this time. About Mercor, Mercor partners with leading AI labs and enterprises to train frontier models using human expertise. You will work on projects that focus on training and enhancing AI systems. You will be paid competitively, collaborate with leading researchers, and help shape the next generation of AI systems in your area of expertise. You can earn up to $280 by referring. Share the referral link below. So you can also participate in the referral program. Similar opportunities are here, which are also new. Okay, this is another opportunity. This one is Generalist English. It was posted a month ago. This one was posted a month ago as well. Paying $15 to $20 an hour. This one is paying $15 to $20 an hour. Let's see. It's also a remote position. It's called Project Neon Phase 2. Yeah, that's what the project is called. Location is global. So one thing about these people, if they say we want UK, Canada, US, those are the countries. Whether you use proxy or not, you can't get in. But when they say global, this is global. And I've shared this particular Mercor before, and some of you got in. Yeah, some of you got in. I saw you there. You're there. Okay, it's just that some of you don't come back to at least commend me and say, yes, I was able to get in. Look at the stage that I'm in. You know, I have referral link or something. I have a referral link, which means I monitor your progress, so I can see that some of you are earning, but you can't come out. You still come to the comment section to leave nasty comments for me, but God is seeing everybody, right? I remember sharing respondent.io here. Yeah. And you guys said sort of things in the comments. But I just saw that somebody earned from that platform. And I was even paid $20 from your referral bonus. So it's fine. Don't come here. Don't come and drop nice comments. Leave it like that. I'll still be getting my commission. Right? Anyway, this is just to encourage whoever that is still trying to break into this AI training, that it is still there's still an opportunity for you to get in. There's ample opportunity for you. It's never too late. Okay, it's never too late. Put your mind in it. Put your mind into this particular opportunity. This is physician generalist. So I actually have all the I meet the application steps minus this one, clinical case study. I'm not even a physician, so I'm not applying for it. They are hiring experienced medical practitioners, MDs and DOs, to evaluate health AI models in partnership with a leading AI lab. Okay, so even if you're not getting in, so they are looking for people in US, UK or Canada. I say, even if you're not getting in, someone who lives in the US, UK or Canada can get your referral link, do the job, and then you get paid. That's how people are earning these days. You cannot wait until you start earning from that job. Even if you can't get in, you can refer someone abroad, and then you get paid when they make it. Anyway, I'm not talking too much. I just want to also give you guys a heads up that we are rounding off the agency. The agency will soon come live, my AI training agency. I will not talk too much about it. I will not explain much about it. You will know more if you enter the inner circle. Yeah, and there's just going to be a few people who are trying to round things off, and then we'll get you guys, do the onboarding, then everything will kick off. That's how I'm going to leave it for now. I'm not going to say much. I'm not going to expose it here, even to people that are not appreciative. So I thought to show you guys this one. Yeah, if you've already signed up on Mercor a while ago, go now and sign up on this Generalist Expert, because this is one of the entry points of AI training. You see this particular Generalist Expert, forget about the experts there. Generalist AI trainer is one of the easiest points of AI training, because you're just going to review responses. So you're going to review 2 responses from AI and give your feedback. Okay, so let me know your thoughts if you already signed up here. If you're already on Mercor, if you're there, go and apply for this one. If you are not, link will be in the description so you can sign up. Okay, sign up or get someone to sign up for you. I don't know how you're going to do it, and so that you apply and start earning. Thank you so much, everybody. Check out the link in the description. Okay, all right, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. All right. Always like the videos. You can also hype it. It doesn't take your time to hype the video. Okay. Thank you. Bye for now.